Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna show some concepts about the HTML tutorial that we are just starting now. From now on I will teach you all the HTML contents and all its how you can apply HTML code in your web browser or develop some web page. I will tell all the steps and all the videos I will make further this video. Okay, so guys, stick with me and subscribe to my channel. So don't go anywhere for HTML tutorials. I will show you all the details of the HTML language, and I will guarantee that you will know all the concepts about HTML language by the end of these all tutorials of HTML. Okay guys, so first of all we have to start it. What is HTML? That we have to know. So HTML description I will just give you in a few minutes. So in this tutorial we are just describing this all the details. So first of all guys, HTML is nothing but the hypertext markup language. Is what invented by the Tim Berners-Lee in 1990s. In 1990s is what already actually displayed out to the world, but Tim Berners have been working it out for about 10 to 11 years for that language. So guys, HTML is a hypertext markup language. So don't get confused in some other languages like C, C++ or Java, JavaScript. So guys, there are some languages that are like C, C++ and Java. These are only programming language. And HTML is a hypertext markup language. So what is a markup language? So there is one question about that question is actually very popular in among all the interviewers. So they will just already ask you what is a markup language and what is programming language. So there is lot of difference between these all two languages. So guys, markup language is represented in these two marks only. Okay, and programming language consists of lots of marks. So this is HTML. HTML is nothing but a hypertext markup language. What is hypertext? Hypertext means what? Hyper means what? It is connected to the web. It is connected to the internet. Okay, so hypertext means was some text that is connected to the internet. And markup language is nothing but it is we can call these two brackets like tags. Okay, so inside this tags there are lots of contents. This is known as a tag. That is nothing but your markup language. Okay, so these are nothing but markup languages, and markup language contains tags and elements. Okay, so it is totally different from the original programming language like C and C++ or Java. Okay, so guys, HTML describes the structure of a web page. So whenever you will open some web browser or search for something, web pages that you like to search, one web page will be displayed and there are lots of pictures and tags, and then hyperlinks to go on other pages or advertisements that you see. These are nothing but the web page contents that are displayed by the HTML format. Okay, so HTML tags are used for display these pages contents. So this is nothing but HTML. So HTML contains series of elements. There are lots of elements in HTML. Then HTML tells the browser how to display the content. Like guys, HTML has lot of elements like h1, h2, h3, h4 that we will learn in further videos. So all the HTML elements are represented by tags. So what are the HTML tags? You can search it on Google or I will tell you here. So tags are nothing but like heading tag, then paragraph tag, then table tag. There are lots of tags like div tag, then p. You can just short form that paragraph tag as a p or any div tag as a div, means direct to tag. Okay, so a lot of tags are there in HTML. We will learn it later. So browsers do not display the tags on a screen. They use them to render or provide the content of the page. So what is meant by render? Render means providing. Okay, so that means HTML tags provide some information to the browser so that it can display some web page on your front screen. That means just browser uses the HTML language for displaying the web page on the screen. So this is nothing but the front-end developer's job. Okay, so a lot of questions will arise in your mind like what we can do with HTML or what we can do with HTML further by learning it and just using it for some other contents. You can just do lot of things guys. I will show you on the demo on the tutorials, upcoming tutorials. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Just like this I will just continue this all the tutorials about HTML. From now I will just post all the videos day by day. Okay, so guys, stick with me, and like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the upcoming videos notification. Okay guys, thank you for watching and have a good day.